Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be fitting the Puddle lights to the Mini Cooper S. These are the ones that are LED that I got from AliExpress that you've just seen the unboxing of. So we're going to be fitting those to the car today, taking out the existing ones using a trim remover tool, putting in the LED ones and then seeing how they look. So LED Puddle lights coming up right after this. Alright, so to fit the LED puddle lamps, so I'm just going to demonstrate on the rear, one of the rear doors in my Cooper S, but the underneath you'll see that there's just the standard puddle light. So what you want to do, you want to get your trim remover tool, and then you want to get in, in there like that and just prise that out. Just like that, and the whole light assembly will come out and reveal the 4-pin plug there. And what you do is you just unplug it pulls out. You just unplug the 4-pin connector, although it's only using two wires, and then on the end of the LED one you've got the slot for the 4-pin connector to click in. It will only fit in one way, and just make sure that the 2 wires are going to the 2 pins in there. So we'll get that done, and you can see that it's as simple as basically just slotting in the light in there and then just pushing it and it clicking in. So that's the puddle lamps fitted to the car and onto the other 2. Puddle lights done. Okay, so you've seen by the photo that I've just shown you there that the puddle lights look great at night, absolutely brilliant. However, they're upside down. So I'll need to take the driver's side out and put in the passenger, and put the passenger side ones into the driver's side to flip them around, because when you open the door of the Mini logo should be facing, should be the right way around for you. It's a matter of taste, but that's the way I want it, so I'm going to switch them around. So that's it for another video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I think the puddle lights look absolutely fantastic fitted, especially at night. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, and remember to click the subscribe button along with the bell to get a notification for when I upload another video. Got lots more coming for it. I've just ordered another kit from Kill Chrome, so in the next video we'll be fitting that to the car. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.